Hi children, I hope you all are fine at home with your parents. Today we are going to discuss chapter 16 Means of Communication. We know we already discussed about means of communication. Today we have to recall some important points in communication. Children, what do you mean by the word communication? We know communication is the meaningful exchange of information between two people or a group of persons. Communication is a meaningful exchange of information between two people or a group of persons. And to give information through exchange of thoughts, messages, speech, visuals, writing, or behavior is called communication. So, to give information through exchange of thoughts, messages, speech, visuals, writing, or behavior is also called communication. So, children, communication is a meaningful exchange of information between two people or a group of persons. Children, you may have read about horse riders delivering messages or people using pigeons to send messages to distant places in the olden days. This method of message delivery was not quick, but today you can send a message anywhere in the world in seconds through email using a computer and the internet. And two friends living in different parts of the world can also talk to each other through mobile phones anytime. This is a great change in the way the human beings communicate with each other. Children, people enjoy talking and listening to their friends and family. Communicating for exchange of ideas is a basic human need. To fulfill this need, man has invented various modes of personal and mass communication, such as postal service, newspaper, telegraph, radio, television, telephone, mobile phone, and the internet. The various means of communication are used for mainly two types of communication. So, the communication we can divide into two types. That is personal or private communication and mass communication. Personal or private communication and mass communication. So children, personal or private communication includes exchange of letters and messages or documents between individuals or organization. And the mass communication is meant for all people like newspaper, radio, television, advertisements and film are the means of mass communication. So children, we know personal communication means one particular person, otherwise one of the particular group we have to discuss our idea. And mass communication means the same idea we have to give it to everyone at the same time. Now you can clear personal and mass communication. Post office are present in almost every city and village in India. One can buy inland letters, stamps, postcards and envelopes from the post office. The Indian postal system has come a long way. Today, one can find service like Express Parcel Post. That means EMS. EMS means Express Parcel Post. Speed Post, E-Post Office, Business Post, Instant Money Order, that means IMO, Instant Money Order, IMO, Online Money Transfer and many other services which have been started by the Department of Post. There are more than 1,55,000 post office in India. So children, how many post office in India? 1,55,000 post office in India. Let's discuss postal service. Postal service is one of the oldest means of communication. So children, postal service is one of the oldest means of communication. Not only that, the postal service is the most common and cheapest means of communication. So which is the oldest means of communication? Postal service. At the same time, it is the most common and cheapest means of communication. In India, the government postal service was once the only service that people used to rely on for sending and receiving urgent messages called telegrams. For children, we get postcards, inland letters, envelopes and postage stamps from a post office. We can also send money to someone by a money order. They also offer courier service in the form of speed post. So, the postal network in India is the largest in the world. So, children, which is the largest network in the world? Which is the largest network in the world? Yes, the postal network. The postal network of India is the largest in the world. And do you know children, the postal department has one of the most widely distributed network in the world. So, there are more than 1,55,000 post offices in India. Do you know children? India has been divided into 22 postal circles. India has been divided into 22 postal circles. Each circle is headed by a chief postmaster general. The postal services in India started in 1774. So children, how many postal circles are there in India? How many postal circles are there in India? Yes, India has been divided into 22 postal circles. So, 22 postal circles are there in India. Children, when did postal service start in India? When did postal service start in India? The postal services in India started in 1774. The postal services started in 1774 in India. And one more interesting news. First Indian telegram was sent by an Last Dr. William O'Shaughnessy in 1850. The first Indian telegram was sent by an Last Dr. William O'Shaughnessy in 1850. So children, we post the letters through post box. So the letters move different places in different ways. Like the letters and parcels are carried by trains, buses, aeroplanes and ships. They take a few days to reach their destination. If the message is very urgent, we can send it by means of telegram. So children, the letters and parcels are carried by trains, buses, aeroplanes and ships. If the message is very urgent, we can send it by means of telegram. And the Indian Railways also runs the railway mail service that supports the Indian Postal Administration in quick delivery of letters and parcels. So children, our Indian Railways also runs the railway mail service. It supports the Indian Postal Administration in quick delivery of letters and parcels. Children, however, the government has now permitted private companies called couriers. So, the government has now permitted private companies called couriers to provide postal service in India. The courier services and the speed post services started by the government are believed to deliver our letters and parcels faster than the ordinary postal service. Fax machines, you can instantly send photocopies of documents through a telephone network. So, there are several private companies that offer couriers and parcel services in India. For example, Professional Courier, Blue Dot Courier, etc. Do you know, children? The postal service was introduced in India by Lord Clive. The postal service was introduced in India by Lord Clive. Let's discuss telephone service. Children, the postal service was the only means of communication in India until 1850. In 1850, the first telegraph service was started in India, in Kolkata. In early 1881, Oriental Telephone Company Limited of England opened the first telephone exchanges at Kolkata. Oriental Telephone Company Limited of England opened the first telephone exchanges at Kolkata, Mumbai, Chennai and Ahmedabad. On 28 January 1882, the first formal telephone service was established with a total number of 93 subscribers. So children, until 1850, the postal service was the only means of communication in India. After the first telegraph service was started in India in Kolkata in early 1881, the Oriental Telephone Company Limited of England opened the first telephone exchanges at Kolkata, Mumbai, Chennai and Ahmedabad. Children, in which year telegraph service was started in India? In which year the telegraph service was started in India? 1850. In 1850, the first telegraph service was started in India in Kolkata. In 1850, the first telegraph service was started in India in Kolkata. Who opened the telephone exchanges in India? Who opened the telephone exchanges in India? Oriental Telephone Company Limited of England opened the first telephone exchanges in India. The Oriental Telephone Company Limited of England opened the first telephone exchanges in India. And on 28 January 1882, the first formal telephone service was established with a total number of 93 subscribers. Children, what do you mean by the word established? It means recognized by the state or national. Recognized by the state or national is called established or accepted. Children, India has progressed from telegraph and telephones to mobile phones. Now, connect to any part of the world within seconds. The first cellular call was made in India on 31st July 1995. The first cellular call was made in India on 31st July 1995. So children, when was the first mobile call made in India? 31st July 1995. And mobile phones have become cheap and are now used by a large number of people. Mobile phones are used for emails, internet, web browsing, video recording, music and also to take pictures. Children, we know the telephone is highly useful medium for instant audio communication. So, it is a highly useful medium for instant audio communication. The popularity of this medium has increased tremendously, that means surprisingly, in India with the introduction of the wireless mobile phone. Now, the mobile phones also serve as a means of entertainment. So, children, we know this is the verbal communication service. We can talk to people in any parts of the world through the telephone. So children, India has more than 30,000 telephone exchanges. So India has more than 30,000 telephone exchanges. Nowadays, mobile phones have also become very popular. Mobiles are easy to carry along with us. Children, public call officers have also brought telephone services within the reach of the common people, even in the remote corner of our country. The public call officers means in short form PCO. So PCO means public call officers. It is moving to even in remote corner of our country. The people who do not have a phone connection can make interstate or international phone calls from a PCO by paying a sudden charge. Some PCOs even provide the fax facility also. So, the PCO is help the people who do not have a phone connection. Telephone system offers many facilities like STD to talk to the people within India and IST to talk to the people all over the world. So children, what do you mean by the word STD? Subscriber drunk dialing. Subscriber drunk dialing. So STD means subscriber drunk dialing. So what about the ISD? International subscriber dialing. International subscriber dialing. So ISD means international subscriber dialing. So children, STD for to talk to the people within India and IST to talk to the people all over the world. There is SMS facility to send messages instantly. So what do you mean by the word SMS? Short message service. Short message service. So children, SMS means short message service. So not only speaking, here we have to send messages also. Nowadays, many private telephone companies offer many facilities like TV, internet, etc. So, the government of India has also allowed private companies to provide mobile telephone services to the people. And BSNL, it means Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited is the government telephone services in India. So children, which is the government telephone services in India? BSNL. What is the full form of BSNL? Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. Children, one more interesting facts. All countries have a separate telephone code that one has to dial along with the desired telephone number. So, India's telephone country code is 91. Before enter the number, we have to add the telephone code. So, before the number, we have to add a telephone code. So, we have a normal 10-digit number. So, we have a 10-digit number for the telephone. So, before 10-digit number, we have to add for a 91. That is a India's telephone country code. So, if we want to call any other country means the other countries have the separate telephone code. So, we have to use a telephone code to identify the country. And all the Indian states have their unique phone codes called the STD codes. So, the unique phone codes called STD codes. Let's see. Fax. Fax or facsimile is another means of communication. A message sent through fax reaches instantly. A message sent through fax reaches instantly. So, children, what do you mean by the word instantly? It means immediately. So, children, when you send a message through fax, it reaches immediately to the opposite person. So, fax is used to send a written message, a photograph, or a letter instantly. So, it is send written message, a photograph, or a letter. Fax is short for facsimile. So, fax is short for facsimile. For sending a fax document, A fax machine connected to the telephone line is needed. So, if we want to send anyone a message through the fax, we need connected to the telephone line is needed. Remember children, the postal system and the telephone are categorized as means of personal communication. So it is a personal communication as the exchange of information and ideas takes places between two people or amongst a few people. So telephone, mobile phone and the fax are a personal communication. So personal communication means it will exchange the information and ideas only two people or otherwise one of the group of the people. Children, now we discussed personal communication. Let's see mass communication. So what do you mean by the word mass communication? Means of mass communication are required if a message needs to be communicated to a large number of people at the same time. So children, personal or private communication means it includes exchange of letters and message or documents between individuals people. But mass communication is mean for all people. That means the message need to be communicated to a large number of people at the same time. It includes newspapers, television, radio, etc. First, newspapers. Newspapers carry detailed information about events taking place in our country as well as around the world. So children, the newspapers are printed in many languages. First of all, a large number of newspapers are published in India in English, Hindi and various regional languages. Nowadays, newspapers can also be read online. So children, we know a newspaper costs just a few rupees but gives us lots of information on the events and happenings in our city, our country in the world. Magazines are also popular among people. These are published on all kinds of topics like fashion, clothes, film and current affairs and in the world. Not only newspaper, magazines are also popular among people. These are published on all kinds of topics like fashion, clothes, films and current affairs. Children, do you know the most important news published in a newspaper is its first news on the front page. This news is called the lead story. This news is called the lead story. And the first newspaper to be published in India was the Bengal Gazette in 1780 and it was a weekly newspaper started by James August Hickey. Started by James August Hickey. So children, who launched the first printed newspaper in India? James August Hickey. Children, let's see radio. Radio. This is the oral or audio communication to the people at large. So children, people who do not know how to read also can be benefited from it and enjoy it. And FM radio has become very popular nowadays because of its high quality music transmission. So children, what do you mean by the word FM? The FM means frequency modulation. FM means frequency modulation. FM radio has become very popular. There are a number of channels which play both regional and international music. The radio broadcasting began in India with the formation of private radio service in Chennai in 1924. So children, in India with the formation of private radio service in Chennai in 1924. This was later named the All India Radio, that means AIR, All India Radio. The radio played a very important role during independence. Let's talk about television. Television is another popular mode of mass communication. We watch on various TV channels news, dramas, reality shows, music, and movies. And various companies also advertise the products on TV. So, children, TV means television. The TV, the full form of television. Yes, our president and prime minister address the nation on TV. Today, there are many television channels you can watch. Children, the oldest TV channel in India is the government run Doordarshan. So, what is the oldest TV channel? Doordarshan. Yes, television was introduced in India in 1959. So, children, television was introduced in India in 1959. After 13 years, in 1972, the second television station was started in Mumbai. So, 1972, the second television station was started in Mumbai after 13 years. Children, earlier the transmission was in black and white. Color television sets were introduced during the 1982. So, children, when the color television sets were introduced during the 1982 Asian Games. Today, almost 90% of the population watches television programs, both national and international, which covers news, entertainment, education, and many programs. Children, we know TV programs are brought to us via communication satellites. Such TV is called cable TV. There is also direct to home, that means DDH. There is also direct to home TV transmission that you receive by installing a satellite dish at your home. So, we can watch a TV programs in our home using cable TV connection, otherwise DDH, installing a satellite dish at your home. So, we can use a cable TV, otherwise DDH. Yes, and you may also enjoy listening to radio programs. Let's talk about cinema. Before cinema became popular in India, theatre was an important source of entertainment. Do you know? India is the largest producer of feature films in the world. So, children, which is the largest producer of feature films in the world? Yes, India. India is the largest producer of feature films in the world. And children, films are an important source of entertainment as well as an essential means of education. So it is a essential means of education. Children, India's first silent feature film was Raja Harichandra. So which is the first silent feature film? Yes, Raja Harichandra, and released in 1913. And children, the first Indian Dalgi film was Alam Ara, 1931. We know cinema everybody like to watch. That films not only provide wholesome entertainment but also a medium to send social messages and highlight the problems of the society, but also a medium to send social messages and highlight the problems of the society. Cinema is an art form and music is Indian cinema's greatest strength. Children, which is the greatest strength in cinema? Yes, music. Music is Indian cinema's greatest strength. Every year, more than 700 films are made in India. So, children, in every year, more than 700 films are made in India. Indian films are becoming very popular internationally. Let's see satellites. Most of the communication needs satellites. Without satellites, this communication is never worked. So, satellites only help to the communication. Children, Satellites are machines that are placed high up in the Earth's atmosphere and revolve around the Earth. They pick up signals from one part of the world and send them to the another part of the world. Because of this, we can watch a football match taking place in Brazil. Live at our home in India. Children, now we know how the satellites helps us. Let's see computers. Children, nowadays each and every person using a computer. So there has been a huge change in computers over a period of time. Personal computers such as desktop, laptop are being used in daily life for education, business, banking service and many more. Computers have helped to reduce the gap between the villages and cities to a great extent. The farmers in India now get a daily weather report, learn about fertilizers, sale price of crops and also learn about crop disease. The internet is called the information superhighway. The internet is called the information superhighway. We can send and receive emails and get information on any subject from any part of the world within seconds by using the World Wide Web. We can use the World Wide Web. And children, the advent of the internet has made communication faster and handy. Let's discuss worksheet. Roman letter 1. Choose the correct options. Question number 1. It is an example of personal communication. It is an example of personal communication. Option A, television. Option B, cinema. Option C, telephone. Option D, computer. Option A, television. Option B, cinema. Option C, telephone. Option D, computer. The answer is option C, telephone. The answer is option C, telephone. So children, telephone is an example of personal communication. Question number 2. Dash is used to send messages to foreign countries. Dash is used to send messages to foreign countries. Option A, stamps. Option B, aerogram. Option C, postcards. Option D, none of these. Option A, stamps. Option B, aerogram. Option C, postcards. Option D, none of these. The answer is option B, aerogram. The answer is option B, aerogram. So, aerogram is used to send messages to foreign countries. Third one. Dash helps us to forecast weather and climate. Dash helps us to forecast weather and climate. Option A, radio. Option B, television. Option C, papers. Option D, satellites. Option A, radio. Option B, television. Option C, papers. Option D, satellites. The answer is option D, satellites. The answer is option D, satellites. So children, satellites helps us to forecast weather and climate. Fourth one. Which of the following communication systems is shown in the picture given below? Which of the following communication systems is shown in the picture given below? Option A, postal. Option B, internet. Option C, mass media. Option D, mobiles. Option A, postal. Option B, internet. Option C, mass media. Option D, mobiles. The answer is option C, mass media. The answer is option C, mass media. Fifth one. Which of the following pairs is wrong? Which of the following pairs is wrong? Option A, STD, subscriber drunk dialing. Option B, ISD, international drunk dialing. Option C, facsimile machines. Option D, modem, a tabloid.
Option A STD subscriber drunk dialing. Option B ISD international drunk dialing. Option C fax facsimile machines. Option D modem a tabloid.
The answer is option B ISD International Drunk Dialing. Sixth one. Which of these can be sent and received by the post? Which of these can be sent and received by post? Option A letters, option B parcels, option C money order, option D all of these. Option A letter, option B parcels, option C money orders, option D all of these. The answer is option D all of these. Seventh one. Which is the cheapest means of mass communication? Which is the cheapest means of mass communication? Option A radio, option B newspaper, option C post, option D television. Option A radio, option B newspaper, option C post, option D television. The answer is option B newspaper. Eighth one. STD codes are used. STD codes are used. Option E internet, option B telephone, option C speed post, option D telegram. Option A internet, option B telephone, option C speed post, option D telegraph. The answer is option B telephone. Ninth one. Name highly useful medium for audio communication. Name highly useful medium for audio communication. Option A postal service, option B telephone service, option C mass communication, option D none of above. Option A postal service, option B telephone service, option C mass communication, option D none of above. The answer is option C mass communication. 10th one. Speed post is an example of dash. Speed post is an example of dash. Option A mass communication, option B private communication, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. Option A mass communication, option B private communication, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. The answer is option B private communication. The answer is option B private communication. Let's discuss Roman letter to fill in the blanks. Question number 1. We can send an email through the dash. We can send an email through the dash. The answer is internet. The answer is internet. Second one. We can talk to people in London over a dash. We can talk to people in London over a dash. The answer is phone. The answer is phone. Third one. The message through dash can reach within hours. The message through dash can reach within hours. The answer is postal telegram. The answer is postal telegram. Fourth one. The dash system is the largest postal network in the world. The dash system is the largest postal network in the world. The answer is India Post. The answer is India Post. Fifth one. Fax also known as dash. Fax also known as dash. The answer is facsimile. The answer is facsimile. Sixth one. Dash refers to money transaction on the internet. Dash refers to money transaction on the internet. The answer is online transaction. The answer is online transaction.
Seventh one. Dash or use them for bringing live programs on television. Dash or use them for bringing live programs on television. The answer is satellite. The answer is satellite. Eighth one. Telegram reaches faster than a dash. Telegram reaches faster than a dash. The answer is letter. The answer is letter. Ninth one. A dash can be printed in many languages. A dash can be printed in many languages. The answer is newspaper. The answer is newspaper. Let's discuss true or false. Question number 1. The internet is both personal and mass means of communication. The internet is both personal and mass means of communication. The answer is true. The answer is true. Email is also understand a postal service. Email is also understood a postal service. The answer is true. The answer is true. Third one. Television is a means of audio communication. Television is a means of audio communication. The answer is false. The answer is false. Fourth one. Networking sites are a means of mass communication. Networking sites are a means of mass communication. The answer is true. The answer is true.